Oh my word, this is starting out fantastic. So we just did about 4 minutes of video and I didn't record a goddamn thing. Anyways, we're over here at Rogie Bears. That's him over there.
Hello.
We'll try this again. This is his new shop and house he's got out in the country. It's a pretty nice little setup he's got going on. Spend a lot of time getting it all organized and set up for all the projects he has and I have that I'll be using it for. But this truck here has got a lot of memories. It's been around for a very long time. It's shit, I forget already. What year? 76 Jimmy that he's working on. He's put an LS into it now with a 4L80 transmission. And he just told me the number of this transfer case, but I forget. MP208. The reason why is because it is a passenger side exit, or drop they call it. The Duramaxes drop on the driver's side. This one here drops on the passenger side, allowing him to be able to run four-wheel drive on the factory front end Jimmy. So yeah, it's going to be pretty sweet when it's done. Like I said, this truck's been around for a very long time and we've both worked on it for years. It gets forgotten and neglected and then gets worked on, so should be pretty sweet when it's done. I can't show you the interior, but it has a brand new interior out of like a 2004, 2003. Pretty sick. But the whole reason we're here today is to work on this turd right here. We finally got the torque converter in and I convinced him that we need to get this thing done. This is the 8090E out of the CTS-V that for some reason it liked to blow up on me. So yeah, we're gonna start working on that. So we have no idea what we're doing. I printed off a manual. So we're gonna do that and we're gonna follow that. So I'll set up the GoPro for the time lapse and I'll stop the time lapse and explain a couple things on the way. Let's get into it. When you need something done, you just get her done. Right here, that tool right there gets everything done. We need a doctor. She's bleeding. Valve body's out of it. Keep going, don't wait for me. That's we got to tear this all apart and check all the balls and all that stuff in it, because this is what solenoid D or something was telling me was the issue on the code I got, but we'll dig into that later. Okay, we found some problems. That's cooked, it's warped. God damn. Yeah, she's cooked. And what clutches were those, Rogues?
These are the C4s.
C4s. Wow. Well, that's fucking nice. Oh, god damn, boy.
She got hot.
She got real hot. I wonder why. Okay, well that's supposed to be a clutch. Okay, there you go. So guys, I completely forgot to keep filming that teardown. I wanted to get a bit more detail about the 8090E, but hey, these things happen. There's so much going on in that transmission. We just kind of put our heads down and we were hopping back and forth from the Jimmy and the transmission, so totally forgot to film it, but it is getting torn apart. We are in the process of cleaning up all the parts. I got some new clutches and discs put in, so hopefully this week we'll have it together. Big shout out to my friend Rogan, helped me out huge on that transmission, mostly appreciated. But hopefully this week, like I said, we'll have it in the V and listen to this LT4 roll back to life. She's been covered up for about a year, so I'm looking forward to getting that going. I appreciate you guys watching and tuning in. Yeah, and if you haven't watched the video, the S10, she's up and running. Check out the last video. It's pretty exciting news for me, and well, pretty exciting, period, because it's, you know, huge achievement. So I'm pretty stoked on that. It's running, it's healthy. First oil change done. Got some new oil in it, so looking forward to getting it running again. Got to put the head down, get some more parts ordered up, get this thing smashed out, get it all minty, ready for the season. Hopefully, fingers crossed. If not, we'll have the V and pick away on this one slowly. This is not a huge rush. I want to do it right and take my time. But like I said, if you guys haven't, please like and subscribe to the videos. Helps me out huge. Yeah, so thanks for watching again this video, and I will catch you on the next one.